In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. First, set up your Amazon Seller Central account. You'll be asked to choose a plan. Pick individual if you're just testing and expect low volume. Choose professional if you're ready to scale and want advanced tools. Complete identity and bank verification carefully because incomplete details can delay your ability to list and get paid. Next, do product research. Look for unbranded, lightweight items that don't contain electronics or batteries, aren't on Amazon's restricted lists, and have fast shipping options available. Solid starter categories include home and kitchen, phone accessories, pet supplies, and fitness accessories. Avoid branded or counterfeit products entirely. They can lead to an instant account suspension. Focus on practical items with clear demand, simple features, and low return risk. Now, find a reliable AliExpress supplier. Target sellers with a rating of 4.7 or higher, at least a few hundred orders, and fast shipping options such as AliExpress standard shipping or a local warehouse. Send a quick message asking if they can ship without invoices or AliExpress branding. A clear yes is a good sign they understand dropshipping expectations and will help keep your packaging compliant with Amazon's policies. Create your Amazon listing from Seller Central by choosing Add a Product and starting a new listing, rather than piggybacking on someone else's. Use clean, original product photos and write your own title and description. Keep the content accurate and benefit-driven, and don't copy text from AliExpress. Set a price that accounts for Amazon fees, shipping, and your target profit so you aren't caught off guard later. Before selling, place a test order to yourself from the supplier. Check the packaging for any unwanted branding, confirm delivery time, and evaluate the product's quality. This small investment prevents negative reviews and protects your account. When an order comes in on Amazon, confirm the customer's address and details. Then place the order on AliExpress using the customer's address. Include a note asking the seller to ship without invoices or branding, and always pick a tracked shipping method. You're responsible for on-time delivery, so choose options with reliable tracking. Copy the tracking number from AliExpress, upload it to Amazon Seller Central, and mark the order as shipped promptly. Late tracking hurts your metrics and can put your account at risk. Finally, stay on top of customer support. Reply to messages within 24 hours, process refunds when needed, and accept returns even if your supplier won't. Amazon prioritizes a great buyer experience, so plan for this in your margin.